Hello, good evening. So I'm Mesoma Inibe. So in this my ebook, I'll be showing you what you're going to learn when you get this ebook. This ebook is step-by-step guide to website design. So you want to learn how to do a website. This is Andela, a business website. You'll be able to design a website like this. This is a blog, Linda AKG blog. You should be conversant with that. Go to design this kind of website. This is a news website. This is Punch. um, this is also another kind of blog website that you can do. Now this is a school website. You'll be able to do this one. Nairaland, another news website. So it depends on what you want. Now this is called a sales page website. You'll be able to create a website like this. Now the free video will teach you this, how to create this kind of website, and also give you the software you will need to be able to create this kind of websites. Now this is a school, a church website. This church is Province of Grace Ministries. You could learn how to do this. You will learn how to do this. And then this is an e-commerce website. You'll be able to create this kind of websites. So that's it. Thank you. Now you want to get the ebook, just come to this place. You want to get this ebook, just this is my WhatsApp line 0815. Just DM me, or you use this link, type it in your browser, and then today's price is 35. So just get that and get it done. Take care. Bye.